ain't gon' cap. This ain't really no rap shit right here. It's like a story type shit. But you gon' hear my shit out. Okay. We in a bin, nigga. Bitch.
Damn, Spancy.
You know what we on. Rose, ODA. Ha ha ha. Bitch, you're watching the face. That shit slow. We playing okay, nigga. One nigga's gon' break it. You don't care what your bitch, nigga.
We just spit it again, spit it ain't gon' stop. Got a Glock 19 just for the little nigga who got popped. If you want a link, nigga, you know where to spot. We don't fuck with ops, nigga, we don't fuck with ops. No, this ain't no drill shit. On my nigga, they know they gon' kill shit. Pop a purple, we still ain't gon' steal shit. Fuck it up, he still ain't gon' kill shit. Gotta check it and ain't gonna steal shit. Gotta check it and ain't gonna steal shit. We rapping niggas, all y'all niggas be capping niggas. Catch blue, you got the automatic niggas. You be having nigga, ain't gon' chance nigga. All this beef and shit, I can't stand it nigga.
What the fuck is that? Shoot that nigga. Shoot him in his chest, nigga. Alright, gang. That's what his ass get. Hold on, nigga. I ain't done.
Get a Glock 19, this is how I sound once I can get back.
Once we got it down, you know it's a rap. I don't give no fuck with me cause I rap. Niggas know what I told Glock 19, keep it on the boat. Yeah.
Damn, Spancy.
Keep it on the boat.
We just spit it again, spit it ain't gon' stop. Got a Glock 19 just for the little nigga who got popped. If you want a link, nigga, you know where to spot. We don't fuck with op, niggas, we don't fuck with ops. We just spin the block again. I seen that boy again. I just shot his mama friend, and then I shot his dad. That bitch thought we was really playing. Ain't got no time for praying.
Yeah, no, you ain't got no time to pray.
Shoot his head, knock off his dread. These niggas now shot through your vest. This Glock 19 got hollow tips. I count them bitches like a test. Feed them bitches to that nigga, let the others eat the rest. It's hard for him to bang cause everybody tryna be the best. We just spin it again and spit it ain't gon' stop. Got a Glock 19 just for the little nigga who got popped. If you want a link, nigga, you know